everyone, and welcome to the Nairobi Kitchen Festival 2014. Thank you so much for coming to share this wonderful day with us. We have a full program today that we want you to enjoy. Part of this program is an issue close to my heart, and that is the issue of water. It is appropriate, therefore, that this festival sits amongst the trees and the fauna, as this is where water begins. You're being here today and you're taking part in the Nairobi Kitchen Festival will allow for us through World Vision Kenya to provide clean water to schools in different communities around the country.
All these you can do them at home. Don't assume that you can't do anything. And you give only 10. Very nice. So you can use it in so many things. You can get up. Very good. This is going to work obliques right here. Opposite. Yeah, the other leg. And then down. He's choking right now, and the center there.
So as they're choking, you should encourage the casualty to keep coughing.
Okay, so count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Debt collectors on the phone. There's no such thing as not at home. You watch it ring and keep doing your thing. It's just enough to keep you going. That constant word that always knows that he's so high and yet
Do you guys know what marination is?
Yes.
Yes?
Coating something with a sauce and then cooking it with that sauce on the something.
What do you think you can do with the sausage? Frying the sausage.
Boil it.
Boil it. Boil it. Good. I love it.
You mix the oil with the cardamom. Our sausages already have a very nice flavor, so you don't need to put salt. So once you have the marinade, you have to put the sausages in the marinade.
Okay, when you use the foil, isn't that more likely to steam the sausage as opposed to have it roasted?
Do you remove the casing of the sausage in your marinade?
And I was going to ask if the casing is porous for the spices to penetrate into the meat.
If you want to make beans, like if you've done flatulence from beans, soak them overnight in cold water, then cook them later the next day. That way they won't be so gassy.
See, you've helped some people here who did not want to.
Okay, what have you learned today about the kitchen and about cooking?
That you don't need to fry everything, and you should eat less fat and less sugar.
I came to see what other people have to showcase, and I'm glad to be here. Next time, I'm going to be an exhibitor.
I was here with my family, my husband, my daughter, and my son. It was a surprise. He's the one who found out about the event, and since I love to do a lot of cooking and all that, so he brought me here. It was a very nice event. Very nice event. I enjoyed the showcase, the cooking thing that was going on there. I learned a lot about marination.
I love good food. Just that is the main thing that made me want to be part of it and bring my family. My wife is a good cook, but you know you need to learn new things every day. It's a great honor to meet the organizer, to interact with people. My son is so happy. He's been all over. and we've had a good experience.
Start doing whatever it is you do that makes you feel lucky.